The second method for screen recording on your Chromebook is to use the Screencast app. And you can access it by clicking on here, and it should be one of your apps. If you can't find it, you need to make sure it's installed in your frequently used programs. So click on it, and then you can click on New Screencast, and it looks like the previous tool. Currently we're on the full screen mode and the camera's on. I want to switch that off, and I want to make sure the microphone's on. Yes, it is. But there is no single screen capture for a still image, it's only for video. So this is partial capture, this is window capture. I'm going to use partial capture. To do that, you just click and drag. What's inside this square or rectangle will be what's recorded. When you're good to go, click to record, and it's going to count you down. And we're good to go now. But this time, note there's now a pen tool in the toolbar, and this allows us to now make some annotations as we record to highlight what's going on in our video, which is a neat little feature with this particular Screencast app. When you're finished, click stop, and it saves to my screencasts, and from there you can save it to your Google Drive as before.